You shall love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. This is the first and a great commandment, and the second is like unto it. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. And these two commandments hang all the law and the prophets. What think ye of Christ? Whose son is he? They say unto him, the son of David. And said unto them, how then do David in spirit call him Lord, saying, the Lord said unto my Lord, sit thou on my right hand, till I make thine enemies thy footstool. Oh, if David didn't call him Lord, how is he his son? So Jesus Christ is the Lord, you must believe him. He is the way, the truth, and the life, and no one's come to the Father. Only through Jesus you accept him, and you will redeem. Accept Jesus, your Savior. Accept Jesus, your Savior. Surrender him with all your life. Take up your cross and follow him every day. Forget about yourself, forget about everything, and just remember him. For our salvation is individual. You must choose now, but I suggest you choose life that you believe. Accept Jesus as your Savior. Accept Jesus as your Savior. Accept Jesus as your Savior.